Disclosures. Everyone in the room, I'm sure, has heard the word disclosures. Yes? Show of hands, so I'm not alone. Disclosures. Realtor disclosures are a lot different than mortgage disclosures, though. Realtors have to disclose who they are, who they work for. If they're going to pay you on their own or on the side, they have to disclose some fees. But in the mortgage space, we have our own disclosures as well. But the word disclosure means something very different to us. A disclosure is actually a detailed official application specific to an AO, accepted offer. I'm using like realtor, realtor language, AO, feels so fancy. So a detailed official application. And what makes disclosures different than someone getting pre-approved or pre-qualified, right? Because someone is technically applying to us when they're getting pre-approved or pre-qualified. But as the way that the law sees it, they're not actually officially applying for anything until they have a property with a detailed price, an amount of money down, and then we disclose to them exactly what they're applying for. Another key word that is going to rear its ugly head in a couple of slides. Disclosures. It's the official application. It's when you're actually applying for a detailed loan.
Home Buyer Learning Center. Everyone gets a house.